Okay, so we have a repair to do today. Today we're working on a John Deere 1070 tractor, as you can see here. Let me show you what's going on with it. Oh, so if you get down here, this is the brake pedal, and if you look right here, this mechanism here with all the teeth on it, whenever you apply the brake pedal and you want to get off the machine, you pull a lever and it pulls this forward and it holds the pedal down on this rod here. But if you look up here, you can see, can't really see it too good right here, but the edge is worn out and it's not really holding on these notches the way it should. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this E clip off of right here on the end of this shaft. I'm going to pop that off of there. I'm going to slide this pedal off. Well, I'll take these springs off first. Slide this pedal off and out of the way, and then I'll slide this pedal off, put it on the bench, and show you how I'm going to repair it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take off this E clip. Pop that up. Take that spring off. There we go. So that one's off. Next thing we want to do is take the brake linkage, which is going to be this cutter pin right here. I know you can't really see it real good, but basically Alright, now once we get that out, pop the clevis pin out, and then the brake lever is out of the way. So now, I could actually take the bungee cord off, the brake lever, two brake levers, and then slide that one off, set it right there, and then this one that we have to repair, slide it off, just like that. Okay, I got the brake pedal off of the tractor, got it mounted in the bench, and as you can see right here, this is where it's supposed to hold on those little step edges, those little edges on that other mechanism that holds this down whenever you press it. And then you can see how originally this is like at a wedge, has a point there on the edge of this metal, that way that those little edges have something to grab onto, and then it's just all worn out right here. So what I'm going to do is, I got this old rotary blade. As you can see, I've already did this repair on one tractor. I'm going to cut this piece off of here because we have that beveled edge like we need going to a point. I'm going to cut this off of here, clean it up, shape it around, and I'm going to weld it right here in place to get a whole new edge on there. So, be right back. Okay, so I cut the piece off of here like I showed you. So I'm going to weld this right here, but first I got to grind it down a little bit, shape it all out the way I want it to sit in there to where it sits all comfortably. So let me get this all prepped and then get this piece prepped, and I'll be back. Alright, as you can see, I got this piece all prepped, got all the paint stripped off of it, and I've got this piece shaped the way I want it so that I could weld it into place right there. And once it's in that spot, it'll give a whole new edge right there for the brake locking mechanism to click into action. So, alright, let me get it set up for weld. Alright, so she's welded on. Now I just got to clean it up a little bit, put some paint on it, put the pedal back on, and ready for the next one. Okay, I've got the brake pedal, I got the piece welded on there, just letting it cool down so that I could throw a little bit of paint on there, keep it from rusting too much, but there it is. And it is on there good. So, I'll get it painted. And then I'll get it put back on the machine. And then I'll show you what it looks like from there. Well, don't have any John Deere green paint, but I got some light green. I guess it's gonna have to do as long as it gets sealed so it doesn't rust. Should be fine. Alright, now to get. Alright, it's on there, it's all installed. I'll show you a little demonstration of how it works. Push the pedal down, pull that up, and it holds it. Just like that. As you can see, there's no issue. Doesn't slip anymore. Alright, that brake pedal is repaired. And I have 2 more tractors I need to do that too, so thanks for watching.